Okay guys, I just came up the most giant hill I've ever climbed in my life. What is up guys? Welcome back to the next season. On this episode, we are going to be going hiking in trails that we have in our area where I live here. We're just going to be hiking a little bit today, and I do have a verse of the video for you guys. So I'll put that up on the screen more towards the end of the video, and I will talk about that when we were out on the trails, just to give us a little bit of a better place to talk and stuff, so we're not all around here in the traffic. Anyways guys, let's get right into the video. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, go down there, smash the like button, subscribe, and share to other people. Even if they aren't an outdoors person, maybe this will get them into outdoors. Or maybe they don't like to hunt or anything like that. Maybe this will get them there. Anyways guys, I hope you like the video. Stay tuned. It's going to be a banger. So now guys, as you can see, we've made it to our trail that we're going to be hiking on. We're at Quiet Nature Trails, State Nature Preserve in Kentucky. Right there. There's the website if you want to go see it. And yeah, let's get hiking. So we're out here on the trail guys, and so far this is all we can see. We just came through the gate back there, and so yeah, we're gonna start hiking that way. Sorry if you can't hear me. There's a gigantic Apache helicopter coming for us. So yeah, let's get on the move. And in our video, we have my sister here, who does not want to be seen, and my mom, who does not want to be seen. They are my source of transportation for the day. There's their faces, their beautiful faces. So let's get hiking. So we're about 100 yards in here guys, and we're already seeing some signs of like deer and nature and stuff. A ton of spiders. We're running into cobwebs everywhere, and it's just beautiful country out here. There's a lot of fallen trees over here. There's a bunch of brush and stuff and everything, and as you can see right here, there's a deer trail. And right now we are just walking the trail, obviously. And so yeah, I think it's a 3.1 mile hike. So we're gonna get our exercise in for the day, definitely. And hopefully we can do this a lot more often for you guys. Because I don't know about you guys, but I'm enjoying this hike so far, being out here in the nature. But I think, I'm not sure if it's Halloween or whatever, but the trees are marked and they look like pumpkins. So, I don't know if that's just like a whatever, but we are going to catch you guys. Apparently those aren't pumpkins because my mom and my sister are dying laughing at me. Apparently they're eagles, but I don't see an eagle. But that's a four-wheeler trail right there. But that's for the maintenance guys and stuff. And there's a big old power line. It's really pretty down through there. I could sit here and look at this for days. This would be a great hunting spot too, guys. You could sit right here and shoot for miles. And then over here, we got this pond. It's pretty mossy right here. But we have this pond right here. Should have brought me a fishing pole. Probably not legal here, but oh well. I would never do anything illegal because I'm not like that. But are some cool things out here, guys. I'll pick back up to you guys here in just a minute. And so now my mom is pointing out that this is obviously an eagle, and I'm just blind. And there's the eagle right there.
That's to let you know you're on the trail.
Yeah, that's the trail markers and stuff. I wasn't sure what they were, but we'll catch you guys here in a few minutes when we get a little deeper in the trail. So we just walked up on this observation hut, guys, and there's also this little bench that you can sit on here, and you can watch these trails down here and the trails we've been walking on. And you can watch this big old kind of power line type ordeal that they've got cut out in the trees, but there's no power line. But you can just take a seat. I guess you can take a break here from hiking and everything. But it is really pretty so far. But yeah, let's get on with our hiking. Update, guys. Oh, there's a squirrel in that tree over there. Anyways, update. We've been walking for another 10 minutes since you saw us at that bench, and maybe 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, something like that. But yeah, it's going good. We've been jumping up deer, and for some reason there's been trees falling around us. Trees, limbs, stuff like that. But it is so beautiful out here, guys. I can't even tell you. I have no words for how beautiful it is. And I just want to thank God for all of this that we're seeing here today and everything. But it is so pretty up in here, or down in here, I guess I should say. We are literally in the middle of nowhere. But we're jumping up deer and everything. We just found some popcorn on this trail, so not sure what that's from. It's definitely wild nature popcorn right there. But it's starting to get a little bit rougher terrain, so I'm gonna pick you guys up when it gets a little smoother so I don't fall and break you guys. So I'll see you guys when it's a little more smooth. So we were hiking down this little hill right here, and we just came across these gigantic mushrooms. And here is my hand compared to these suckers. They're bigger than my hand. There's a few of them around here on these mossy rocks and stuff. It's perfect habitat for stuff like this. They're everywhere. But the terrain is getting a little smoother. Not a whole lot smoother, but it is a little better. It's not as slick and stuff, but we just came across something. I'm not sure what. I'm waiting on my mom to tell me what it is. What'd you see? So we just passed one of those benches again that we were sitting on, and we come up across this old barn back here. Yeah, looks like just an old tobacco barn or something of some sort. Let's see if anything's in it. Nope, it's just all fall down. Looks like I could blow on it, it would fall over. The railings in there are pretty bad, but maybe we can get a better view from the other side. They didn't have this on the map. They should put this on their map. That way it's like a landmark where you can see more. Oh yeah, you can definitely see from right here. There's someone's blue cooler back there. They forgot their lunchbox. That's what they did. But
Ella was here.
yep, Ella was here. But we're gonna roll on. We'll catch you guys when I pick up the camera next. And that way is Deer Hollow. But Deer Hollow takes you straight
Deep Hollow.
Oh, Deep Hollow. It takes you straight to. So we are a little skeptical, but hopefully we can get this hill climb in and done so we don't die. It's a little sketchy right here, as you can see. There's rocks and tree roots and stuff. But we're gonna make this hill climb. I think I'm gonna have my mom hold it while I climb. See, this camera is not doing this hill justice. In real life, this hill's like straight up. So, see if I can make this climb without dying at least. We did it. I'm here. So we came across this deer footprint where they was climbing this hill, and they drug their foot on it, and that just shows you how steep it really is. Because deer, they're some really good climbing animals, and they can get up most things. But this hill, I'm still pretty much going up it. I might come back down there because my mom's seen it. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna catch up with you guys, and in this next clip, we're gonna be doing verse of the video. So stay tuned for that. So now, guys, we're gonna do verse of the video, and this video's verse is coming from the book of Psalms, and here's the verse. The angel of the Lord encamps around those who fear him and delivers them. Psalms 34:7. And what I think that means is that God is just always around you, and God always wants you to be a follower of him. And another reason I picked this verse is, if you can't see this, but where it says, I guess, in camps and stuff or anything, but another reason I chose this is the picture that went along with it. It's a guy hiking on a trail, and as you can see, we're out here in the great nature and of God. So thank you, God, and I keep you guys in my prayers. And so yeah, let's just move on with our trails. I think we got about 20 to 30 minute hike ahead of us to get on out of here. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you when we're pretty much out of the trails. So yeah.
3.
Are you filming? Okay, so we're out here on the trails, and I just slid down this big old embankment and killed myself to death. Trying to come down here for you guys to film this bridge. This nice little stingway to look down this little hallway right here. Like a little washout. Now let's see if I can get out of this. Keep the camera rolling. Some juicy things might happen here. Oh Lord. I'm gonna need some help. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. I died. Okay guys, I just came up the most giant hill I've ever climbed in my life. It was even more big. It was even bigger than the hill that I videoed, or that my mom videoed me coming up. But it was a big old hill. We were struggling to come up that. And like I said, this was a 3.1 mile hike. We're going to come back and we're going to, when we have a little bit more time. Right now we got to kind of get on out of here. We got things to do. We could have gone on down and went down to a spot that takes you to the river. We're going to do that, and we're going to film and stuff when I have fresh batteries, because I'm on my last battery here. But I am pooped, and I don't know if my viewers on here watch Wilson Barnes Outdoors, but if you do, go over there and check out the video that me and Wilson Barnes Outdoors did. It's called The Next Season Comes Riding. I'll leave the link in the description if I can figure out how. But yeah, go watch that video, give him some views, and then tell his viewers to come view us. So yeah. Anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to go down there to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share to everyone that you know. And just give this a big old thumbs up. And yeah, get us to 45, 50 likes or so, maybe. Pushing it, but I'm going to get on out here, get in the car, and get a drink. But luckily, the car is right there, so I'm good. But I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Peace.